today you're in luck because I'm going to explain to you the process of making a batch of chocolate chip cookies. Now the recipe I'm going to tell you today, I've used with my family many times over the years. What we're going to go over today are the things you need to make the cookies, which include the cooking supplies and the ingredients, as well as the steps to actually make the cookies. And then when we're done, you can try some for yourself. Let's start by talking about the cooking supplies. You're going to need 2 large baking sheets, 1 large bowl, a measuring cup and some measuring spoons, and a spatula to mix everything together with. Now that I talked about the cooking supplies, let's get into the ingredients. So this is the first group of ingredients you're going to need 1 pound of butter, a cup and a half of sugar, 2 cups of brown sugar, and 3 eggs as well. Here are the rest of the ingredients. There's 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon and a half of salt, a teaspoon and a half of baking soda, 6 cups of flour, and about a bag and a half of chocolate chips, give or take depending on if you like a little more or a little less. So now I've talked about the ingredients and cooking supplies, let's get into the steps of actually making the cookies. Okay, so the first step you're going to want to do is melt the pound of butter in the microwave and put it in a large bowl, and then mix it with the following ingredients: the sugar, brown sugar, eggs, and vanilla. You want to mix those ingredients first, and what you'll get is that it's not cookie dough yet, it's a little more liquidy. Then the next step is to add all the other ingredients. So you're going to want to add the flour, salt, baking soda, and the chocolate chips. And the key there is to spread them out really evenly so you get a good batch of cookie dough. So there's your batch of cookie dough. Once you have that ready, you're going to want to make little balls of cookie dough, spread them out evenly on the baking sheets, and then you're going to want to place the baking sheets in an oven that's preheated at 350 degrees. You want to let the cookies stay in there for about 10 to 12 minutes or until lightly brown. And then when you're ready to take them out, be careful taking them out. Let them cool for about a minute or 2, and then you're ready to enjoy them. So let's review what we've gone over today. We talked about the process of making chocolate chip cookies, including what you need to make them, as well as the steps involved in actually making them. And hopefully you now know a quick and easy dessert that is sure to be delicious. I know if I can make them easily, I'm sure you all can.